How to build a greenhouse for outdoor growing in cold weather. Hey everyone, Boston Backyard Grower, and in this video I will show you in full detail how I built my greenhouse to protect my plants and my garden from pesticides and uncertain weather. If you like what you see, hit that like button. If you have any questions, ask. Any comments, comment. And for the latest grows, indoor and outdoor in full detail, in a greenhouse, check out my channel. Enjoy. Okay, so to build a greenhouse, it's gonna take, this is a one-man job. I'm just doing this by myself. I don't have any real tools. I just have a handsaw and a screw driver and a screw machine, also a stapler. But it's necessary if you grow in cold areas like Boston, New England, or Northeast, that you need to have some type of protection besides pesticide. We need to protect them from nature and from the weather, that it's always uncertain around these areas. Even though it's going to be summer, summers are not real summers around here, so we're going to try to protect them as much as we can. So we're going to get some wood material that we get at your local store. They are architecturally standards. They are 8 foot long, and I'm choosing the 2x3s. So 4 of them, I'm going to cut 5 feet. The remaining 3 feet is going to be our depth. And 2 of them, I'm going to cut them in half, which I'm going to have 4 pieces of 4 foot. So now in total, we have 4 pieces of 3 foot, 4 pieces of 4 foot, and 4 pieces of 5 foot for the height. All right. Now I'm going to put them together with some screws and some angles. Get a bunch of these angles because it's better to have more than run out. You can flatten them out also and use them as connectors for when we're going to do the door. But what's important right now at this stage is that the 3 foot piece goes on the inside while the 4 foot piece stays on the outside. So this is the final result of 3x4 and 5 foot high, so we can have some space for the things to grow. We're gonna try to put like a floor here in, so they can be a little bit, so we can make it look a little bit cooler than that. We're gonna work with that plastic which we got at Walmart for like $5, table cover. Get a bunch of those. All right. So for decking, we're going to use 1x3s. They come about 8 foot long. So we're going to cut them in half, and we're going to need about 11 pieces. Prior to putting the deck in, we need to cut 2 more pieces 3 foot long, 2x3s, to add as a support for the floor. Then you measure the first one, but you start nailing down the second one all the way to the 10th piece. Then the first piece and the 11th piece need to be cut around the vertical standing 5 foot 2x3, so it will fit perfectly. And this is the outcome after we put the decking in. And now we're just gonna put in some paint to start protecting it from the outside weather and nature. So for that, I'm using outdoor deck painting. This will protect our greenhouse from the outside weather that the New England or Northeast will bring to us. So while the paint is drying, we're gonna get some table covers. These are the square ones. They're about 60 inches wide with 84 inches long. And with a stapler, we're gonna wrap around the greenhouse. Okay, so for the roof, you're gonna need these 3 things, which is the material that I'm using is Sun Tough. Then It's this connection piece that you need. It's either wood or foam. I couldn't find the wood one, so I got foam. And you're gonna need some screws with washers. If you like what you see so far, hit the like button. Any questions, ask, and subscribe to help the channel out. As you can see now, we wrapped it all up. We painted it. We put the top on. And this greenhouse is almost ready for us to put plants inside. Now, let's not forget an important step. It's airflow that we need into this greenhouse. Either you can poke some holes all around the plastic, but be careful by poking holes with high winds. That thing will rip up. So what I did, it's in one side of my door, I put a screen and a plastic behind it. So if it's real hot, I move that plastic and it's just one side is a screen. Also, I added some wheels so I can wheel this thing around the backyard to catch maximum sunlight. Keep in mind, I am not a carpenter, so this is just the way I built my greenhouse. If you can build something better, good for you. But this is my greenhouse, and if you like what you saw, hit the like button. Any questions, ask. Any comments, comment. And subscribe to help the channel out. Also, check out my channel to see all the latest grows that we got going indoor and outdoor. Alright? Thanks for watching. Enjoy.